God. Stop, don't do it.
Life isn't worth living.
Come on, man, be reasonable.
I've made up my mind.
Don't jump. Yet.
Right, I'll help.
Okay, pal, what's wrong?
My wife left me. I'm in debt. Life just isn't worth living anymore.
Every life is worth living. What do you do?
I work in the mall at the cell phone counter.
Sometimes you gotta trust your first instinct.
So lucky that I got there in time. Who knows what could have happened. I only have liability insurance on that car. But then am I thinking about it wrong? Like, am I a bad person?
I don't know. I'm just an accountant. Go see a therapist.
I can't afford a therapist. I mean, you of all people should know.
You need to work more. Maybe you need to write something.
Well, I would love to, but I have writer's block. I mean, do you know what that's like?
Oh, I give you motivation. Please, sign this check.
Oh, what, like make a symbolic checkout for $1 million like Jim Carrey did?
No, stupid. I'm going to send the check to ISIS, Islamic State.
To ISIS?
Finish the script or I send it to them.
You're going to send the check to ISIS? I don't even have an idea for a script.
Right how humanity is naturally good. Will make you a better person. 2 birds, 1 cup.
You think that'll work?
You'll find out tonight, 6 p.m.
6 p.m.? I need more time than that to finish a whole script.
So lazy. The clock is ticking.
All right, well, I guess I better go. You have the mailing address for ISIS?
That's what I do. You do you, let me do me.
What are you doing?
My job.
Would you mind if you stop working? I'm trying to get some work done.
Oh, I didn't know that. I'm so sorry. Absolutely. I'll tell you what, I'll make a deal with you. I'll keep doing what I'm doing, and you go in there and fuck yourself.
All right. Sounds fair. Thank you. I appreciate it.
I better hear you fucking yourself in there.
Hey, you'll hear it.
You've got to be kidding me.
It's weird. I'm into black chicks, but I don't know if that's cultural appropriation.
Meditation.
So after this week, I'm pretty sure I have chlamydia.
It's really more of a passion project. Haven't started it, but I really want to. Haven't really found inspiration. But I still.
What are you writing?
Oh, fuck you, birds. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, hi.
Can you finish the script?
I didn't do it.
Okay, I sent a check to tourists.
Yeah, all right. Can you ask them for a pamphlet?